Kawakeviti ena voli voli takelo kosa tamata ya lovina marau kaya lo sava sava Lekima komata mali mali ya lovina dauloma sambiu tutu maile muibakarau mele mamo. You sat by my father with a smile so bright, a bond unspoken but it felt so right, representing the love of those who've gone. Now you've joined them but your light shines on. So true, always there to help, always pulling through. Your warmth and your care like the ocean's embrace. Now you found your rest in a peaceful place. I thank the Lord for the time we shared, for the hugs, the smiles, and the love you declared. Distance keeps me from saying goodbye. I'll sing this song to the open sky. Moce Lekima, Moce muya lovina enatamure varewa enduko sareva koleinu mitunga tinga isotayati. The colorful shirt I gave you wore with pride, a symbol of love for the family that you never hide. Now you're with the angels, watching from above, wrapped in the warmth of eternal love. Moce Lekima, Moce muya lovina enatamure varewa enduko sareva koleinu mitunga tinga isotayati mailo malangi. So here's to you, Lekima. Our hearts are sore, but your legacy will live forevermore. We'll carry your love, your smile, your name, until we meet again in heaven's flame.